Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to see the difference between these counts. We have count star, count 0, count -1, count, all these kind of counts. So let's start with the count. Let's start with the count into brackets star. So count into bracket star. So this one will give us the total number of rows in this table. So the total number of rows in this table will be 10. So if you run this, so you can see it has given us the total number of rows. And if we use count 0, so this one will also give us the total number of rows in this table. We can also count -1. This one will also give us the total number of rows in this table. So it will also give us the total number of rows in this table, which is 10. And then if you use count, so this count, and then this is my name. So this one will also give us the total number of rows in this table. So if you run this one, you can see it has given us. So in short, count into bracket any value between this bracket, it will give us the total number of rows in that particular table. But if we use a specific column, so let's say this one, let's say we use a region. So in region, so let's use count region. So we are using a specific column here, region. So this so if you use region, it will count the none value in this. It will count the rows having the none value in this particular column. So for that case, that means it will not count this null value. So we will have 9 rows. Yeah, so it has only counted the none values in this particular column, region. We can also decide to use distinct. So if we use distinct, region, so this means it will check the none values, and then it will only count the unique values of that particular region, the unique none value of that particular region. So if you run this, you can see the unique null value of that particular non-null value of that particular region are 3. So that is west, east, and central. These are the unique null values in this region. So this is one of the most common SQL interview question. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.